Hey guys, as I noticed that you were really interested in my last presentation about like culture in Brazil, I decided just to do a follow-up and show you guys how you should do business in Brazil. Now it's more focus approach, so let's get started. First of all, Brazil is a high context culture. What does that mean? Well, it means that for us, nonverbal communication is really important. So all the image that you pass on your, like through your body and through your facial expressions and hand movements, it's really important for us. So and there it comes a big difference between Canadians and Brazilians. Usually here in Canada, when we meet someone, we just shake hands. Well, in Brazil, we hardly do that. If we shake hands, we always follow up with one or two kisses, like at the cheek, or we just go straight to hugs. It will depend on the type of meeting and if it's really formal or not, but usually you don't just shake hands. Small talk. So just leave some room for small talk. It's really important for us. We like to talk about like our personal life and experience, so make sure you always leave room for that. And also an indirect approach, so never be too direct with Brazilians. We don't like to be confronted, so always start with a conversation, relaxing everyone, and then you can go straight to the point. So, important tip. We speak Portuguese, guys, so please do not start a conversation with like, Hola, ¿cómo estás? We don't speak Spanish, okay? Second, we make friends easily. Do not expect us to respect your personal space. Of course, we will respect it, but like, you know what I mean. So the first meeting is usually formal, but the second meeting will be way relaxed. Social media. If I meet you today, I will probably add you on all my social medias and we will be friends for life. Third point, timing. Never, never expect a meeting to begin on time. If you want a meeting to start at 3, just tell us that's gonna be 2:30 and you might start at 3:15 around that. So as I said before, just leave room for small talk. We love small talk. We're gonna waste almost like a half an hour of a meeting in small talks. And breaks. We love breaks. I mean, who doesn't, right? But we just adore breaks. So if you plan to do a meeting, like 3 hours meeting, plan a few breaks and include some food. Yeah, we love eating too. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any question, just let me know. I'll be happy to help you with that. So thanks. Bye.